So I got another Ipsy bag. This is for the month of March. This is the regular small subscription that they have with smaller samples. So this is the bag. I really like the little lip zipper right here, and the bag is pretty cute. And outside of the bag, I got this age control multivitamin vitamin C mask. Is it a mask? Yeah, it's a mask. So I got that, and there's 2 in here, so that's good. Okay, so in the bag I got this smaller sample. I don't really like the smaller bags because you get really tiny samples. Kind of like the bigger samples now. But this is the After Hours eyeshadow, and it looks really pretty, like a nice gold sheen shadow. All right, next thing in the bag is this Pearlie's matcha green tea priming moisturizer. So I get another moisturizer from the brand Pearlie's. And then next thing is this Marc Anthony Coconut and Shea leave-in conditioner. Detangles, moisturizes, and strengthens for softer hair, plus biotin. So I'm really excited about this one. I am trying to take care more of my hair. I started working on my skin, but I still have work to do, so I'm starting to work on my hair also. Next thing is these duo eyeshadow, and this is by Belle and Argent. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's the Sign and Take Two eyeshadow duo. I don't know how you say that, but that's what it says back there. And these are, you got one matte brown and then one shimmery one. And that's everything that I got in my March Ipsy bag. That's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.